If you're wondering if niche blogging still works in 2024, the answer is definitely yes. And by the end of this video, I'm going to show you 4 different amazing examples of different niches that people just started a blog in within the past couple of years. And all of these are very successful. So let's look at a blog called Love Sweat Fitness, which is all about fitness and health products. And so this is a blog that was started just a couple of years ago. And so you can see that they've got all these different articles and they're making a lot of money from their sales and affiliate marketing. So definitely a very successful endeavor. And they're probably making well over 6 figures per month, I would say, from this blog. Now let's look at another recent blog called Making Sense of Sense, which is a personal finance blog. So they talk about how to make extra money and find a new job and stuff like that. How you can sell your poop and make $180,000 a year. So it's a relatively simple blog, and you can see they're putting in YouTube videos as well. So they probably started a YouTube channel as well. And so they're doing some affiliate marketing, and they're promoting Amazon products, and they've probably got their own products that they're selling. So I'm sure they're making a lot of money from this. And another blog that was, if you're interested in food, is called Pinch of Yum. So this was started just a couple years ago as well. And so they have all these different recipes, whether you want to eat vegetarian food or you want to eat more soup. And so they've got all sorts of food related stuff here. And they've also got Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and X. So they're kind of diversified as well. And they didn't start too long ago either. Now let's look at The Blissful Mind, which is another blog. It's kind of more about mental health and kind of productivity and things like that. So this is also a blog that was started pretty recently, and they've got their own shop set up, and so I'm sure they're making a lot of money. So to answer your question, blogs are still a pretty great way to make money in 2024 if you're interested in getting started. And there are some AI tools that I would recommend you check out if you want to start a blog. There's one called Copy AI, which let me show you what it looks like. This is their website, and you can try it completely for free. I've got a link in the description so you can check it out. And thank you so much for watching.